What is good, gang? Welcome back to another video. McSquash'em gang. McSquash'em gang? Oh my gosh. It just keeps getting worse and worse. But today, we're going to be playing Clap Clap. And I've seen nothing on this game. I know it's trending right now for horror. So I kind of wanted to play another trending horror game because, I don't know, they're fun. I like playing them. So they're trending for a reason. Obviously, they're good. Sorry if my voice sounds a little raspy. I'm getting over sinus issues, so I mean, if some of you like the raspy, we can keep the raspy for as long as possible.
Oh my god! Oh jeez! Oh my...
So Nightmare Files, Clap Clap. It's kind of a weird name. I'm gonna put my headset on. Okay, we're just going right into this. October 8th, 1984. I saw an ad in the newspaper about a house sitting job. Since I was short on cash, I decided to sign up. What? Quiet. I didn't get to read the rest of that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna be coughing a little bit too. Where am I supposed to go? Whoa, look at the way he walks. He like leans. That's so weird, dude. Can I sprint? I can sprint. Find Maxim's house? Excuse me, I'm trying to find a house on this street. Could you help me out? What do I press? Sure. Which house are you looking for? I'm looking for Maxim's place. Mac Sims. I've never seen that name before. He hired me to look after it while he's away. Maxim's? Huh, that's interesting. He usually asks me to watch his place. I'm Marco Batovisky, by the way. Nice to meet you, Marco. Can you tell me where his house is? Of course. It's 2 houses down. Mine's right here. Our neighbor, Savo, in the middle. And then Maxim's place. You can't miss it. Thanks, Marco. Appreciate it. No problem. Now, if you'll excuse me, I just got my home automation system in the mail. I'm really excited. Well, that sounds... Oh, that sounds interesting. What does it do? Well, it's supposed to make life a whole lot easier, you know, controlling the lights, temperature, even the security system. Pretty cool stuff. Wow, that sounds convenient. Why did you decide to get it? Partially because of the recent disappearance happening around here, but mainly because our neighbor Savo got one and won't stop raving about it. He left for vacation right after installing it, said it was built-in surveillance systems and all. Guess he wanted to keep an eye on things while he was away. Well, I hope you enjoy setting it up. Thanks again for your directions, Marco. No problem. If you need anything, I'm just a house away. I'm not gonna lie. I forgot all of his directions. Oh my gosh. Dumpster diver. Clap Clap certified smart house surveillance. That's where the Clap Clap comes from. Okay, so this must be the house. Okay. I didn't need directions. I think the homeowner mentioned the keys would be in the backyard. Of course. I should go and check. Find the key in the backyard. Dude, these graphics are weird. It looks almost... I think they said they put it in the flower pots. Can I jump in this? No. Where are the flower pots? Oh, right here. Oh, there it is. Why'd the music stop? Oh my gosh, dude. How much you want to bet? Okay. Dude. Why is it pitch black? Oh my gosh. Well, that's welcoming. They did say it was a smart house. Read note on fridge. This is one loud freaking fridge. Hey, thanks for house sitting. Please make sure to check the mailbox, water the plants, throw out the trash. P.S. Press Q to toggle the lights on off in any room. P.S.S. Once you're finished, help yourself to the food in the kitchen. To-do list. Check the mailbox, water the plants, throw out the trash. Alright, time to get acquainted with this place. Just take a quick tour. Check out all the rooms. Explore rooms. Oh my gosh. It is the clap lights. Like I was talking about. Oh my gosh. That's so nostalgic. What? That's so cool. Dude, clap lights were freaking ahead of their time. Okay. You all don't know about clap, or snap, or never mind. I don't even know what else I'm going on about. I'm freaking. A door was just open. Oh my gosh. I'm literally. Can't go upstairs. What's up? Caution, do not enter. Oh. You expect me to obey? I do not. Oh. Huh. You can pick everything up? Dude, jump scare ideas. Wait, what is this one? Horror 101? I don't know if this guy took his, the creator of this game took his, job very seriously. We'll see. Clap. Okay. You know what's about to be clapping? I'm sorry. Open the door. Open the door, please. I can't be left alone. I need my mommy. That seems pretty normal. That's what's up. Now let's tackle that to-do list. First up, grab the mail. Can't be lying around. Golly, dude. These coughs are gonna be the freaking death of me. You're just gonna see me one day dead. Cough myself to death. Missing. Please help. What the heck, dude? Come call Zexon. 25 years old, 170 pounds, 5'9". Last seen 23rd September 1984 on Salford Park wearing a black sweater, black hat. He was doing house sitting services. For any information that could help us to find him, please call. Okay. Missing house sitter, huh? Sounds like the beginning of a mystery novel. Wonder what happened. Alright. Bill sorted. Now time to show those plants some love. Can't have them wilting on me. Grab the watering can from the garage. That's not it. That's it. Whoa. I'm just gonna leave this here. Grab trash from the kitchen. Ooh. This bag's heavier than I expected. Oh no. Okay, I almost got stuck. Jeez, dude. Oh my. Stop! You scared the poop out of me. I'm Agent Restone. Oh my god. Dolino. Federal Investigation Bureau, I need to ask you a few questions. Sure, what's this about? There have been reports of disturbance in this area. Disappearance, strange phenomena. We're conducting an investigation. Yeah, I've heard. Everything's fine here. Just taking out the trash. Are you sure? We've reason to believe that there's more to this neighborhood than meets the eye. Yeah, 100%. Just taking out the trash, you know? Alright, but keep your eyes and ears open. We need to get to the bottom of this. Of course, we'll do. Thanks, Inspector. No problem. Stay safe out there. FBI, open up. What? Okay. Oh. It won't close now. Dang it. What the heck was that? Oh, dude. Oh my gosh. Check upstairs rooms. This is crazy. You don't have a flashlight either. So like... Oh my gosh. What could be behind door 3? You know what? No. Still locked. Access denied. Snooping around can get you in trouble. Some food in the kitchen. What? What? It's empty. Oh, right here. Put cereal on bed upstairs. What the heck? What the heck is this? Oh, it's loading. $2:43 a.m. What am I supposed to do? Oh my gosh! I can't get up. What was that? Did you guys see that? Oh my gosh. No. The door is open. I have goosebumps. Should I go back out there? The heck? This is where the bathroom is. Why would they lock off the bathroom? Oh my gosh. Dude. I hate this. Rubber ducky. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you got it. No! You're not allowed to turn the lights off. What the heck? I'm gonna juke him out. I'm gonna juke this fucker out. Ooh, dead. You got a chiropractic adjustment. Retry from checkpoint, I guess. Okay, so watch. I have goosebumps, bro. It's literally just like a... What was that? Alright. I'm not scared now that I know what's going on. He's just freaking toying with me. Gosh. Dude. Dude. Rubber ducky. Can't get out. Where do I go? It said figure out what is going on. I don't know where to go. I see you, bro. What the heck was that? Leave. You need to get as far away from this place as possible. You got it, bro. Why am I still leaving? Is he chasing me? Oh my gosh, I have goosebumps everywhere. Okay, we're good, we're good. Oh my gosh, dude. I kept running until I had reached the nearest police station. While investigating, the authorities found Marco's lifeless body in his house. Meanwhile, Markson's remains were found stuffed in the trash bag outside his house. Bogey. Their neighbor, Savo, had disappeared under similar circumstances. His remains have yet to be found. Despite the eerie scratches on the walls and my harrowing account, no trace of the creature is ever discovered. The case remains unsolved, leaving an unsettling mystery behind. Thank you for playing my first ever indie horror game. Yeah, thank you for making it. I hope you enjoyed playing it as much as I enjoyed making it. I'm releasing more horror games in the Nightmare Files series. Shh. Okay, stay up to date on my YouTube channel, Raycastle Games, or Twitter at Raycastle. Thanks, Maxims. Did you guys hear any barking in the background? Do you want to know what the barking was? You guys want to know? Bogey. Bogey, come here. Come here. I have to show you off to everyone. Look, guys, this is Bogey. This is my puppy. He's a good boy. And he's barking because my door's closed and he wants to go out. He wants to go outside, don't you? Yeah. Okay. That's my boy. That's my boy. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little horror game. Subscribe to Raycastle. That guy's pretty cool. That's a pretty good first horror game. I mean, he gave me goosebumps. Hope to see you guys all again soon. And I'll see you later, McSquash'em gang.